Christmas. It's that magical time of year when memories are made and hearts come together. This year, bring home the warmth of the holidays with a tree that embodies the spirit of tradition and the beauty of nature. Naomi Home presents the Cynthia Rustic Christmas Tree. Our tree captures that essence of tradition while offering modern conveniences. With pre-assembled lights and an easy-to-assemble process, you can spend more time decorating and less time untangling. But the charm doesn't stop there. This tree is made to last season after season, ensuring that this year's tradition can carry on for years to come. With its classic, timeless appeal, it's a tree that will never go out of style and will always remind you of the beauty and simplicity of the holiday season. The Cynthia Rustic Christmas Tree comes in various sizes such as 4.5 feet, 6.5 feet, and 7.5 feet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.